In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Google Gemini and Google Sheets. By the end, you'll know how to open Gemini inside Sheets, generate a custom spreadsheet structure from a prompt, reference sources right in your sheet, and even create images all without leaving your workbook. Start by opening Google Sheets, then either create a new spreadsheet or open one you're already working on. It can help to give the file a clear name so you can find it easily later, especially if you'll be generating multiple versions. Next, look to the upper right corner of Sheets near your profile picture and click the Gemini icon to open the side panel. This is your workspace for prompts and AI-generated help. If you don't see the icon, make sure your account has access to Gemini for Google Workspace and that your browser is up to date. In the Gemini panel, you'll see an option to generate a custom spreadsheet. This is where the magic happens. Describe what you want in plain language, the purpose of the sheet, the columns you need, the kinds of values or data types you want in each column, and any example rows or formatting preferences. The clearer your prompt, the cleaner your first result will be. You can also mention things like data validation, filters, or conditional formatting if you want them applied. As you write your prompt or work in a cell, you can type the @ symbol to reference sources. This inserts smart chips that point to files, people, events, or places. Referencing a source helps Gemini understand context and can make your sheet more connected and navigable. It also keeps related materials just a click away for collaborators. When you're ready, select the sheet destination in the panel so the output lands where you expect, then click Build. Gemini will draft your layout and populate sample data if you asked for it. Review the preview, make edits, and refine your prompt as needed to iterate quickly. If you want visuals alongside your data, choose Create Images in the panel. Provide a concise image description and any style notes, then click Build Again to generate. Gemini can place images into cells or add links, depending on your setup. Keep an eye on usage limits and image sizes for performance. Use this feature to speed up planning, reporting, or brainstorming. If the first pass isn't perfect, tweak your prompt and rebuild. Keep sensitive data out of prompts and use undo if a change isn't what you wanted. With a few iterations, Gemini becomes a fast partner for structuring, enriching, and polishing your Google Sheets.